Hey, I'm Jacqueline, and welcome to In the Know. This is our weekly video show designed to keep you up to date on the most exciting news across the QuickBooks ecosystem. Today, we're here to talk about Spreadsheet Sync for G-Sheets. This powerful feature enables you to securely send data back and forth between QuickBooks Online Advanced and G-Sheets. Before, it was only available with MS Excel, but now you can use it with G-Sheets to quickly create pivot charts, graphs, and to collaborate with clients. And now for the fast facts. The Spreadsheet Sync with G-Sheets feature is available to both admin and standard all access users and can be accessed through QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature is available as of mid-May in the US and will be live in Canada, UK, and Australia as of July 2024. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss a single product update. Let's turn now to Intuit's Senior Product Manager, Suvanan, for a look at Spreadsheet Sync for G-Sheets. Suvanan, welcome.
Thank you, Jacqueline. I am Subhanan. I'm one of the product managers for QBO Online Advanced. And I'm really excited to talk about Spreadsheet Sync for G Suite. Users can use their credentials, their QuickBooks credentials that they have in order to log in. They can select the company if they have multiple ones and then log in. Once you log in, we have made available two different things. You're running a report and also running a multi-company report. For running a report, you will see that the users will be able to select the report that they want to run from the pre-canned about 40-50 reports that we have. Users can also select their filters, as in for which date range they want to see this report for, and other details. Additionally, we also do have multi-company reports. In multi-company reports, users can select a group, which is group of multiple reports, and then use the filter to get these reports. This report provides you a uber level of information regarding the various groups of companies that you have in a format that you can see it all together at once.
Suvanan, thank you so much for that walkthrough and for all of your work on Spreadsheet Sync. Let's now turn to Carla Caldwell and Michael Lee. Carla is a firm leader and expert trainer on all things advisory, and Michael is an accounting and fintech entrepreneur. Carla, Michael, welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Michael, let me start with you. Tell me about your reaction to Spreadsheet Sync for G-Sheets.
Yeah, Spreadsheet Sync for G-Sheets is great. It really allows more flexibility now on the types of clients we can work with. G-Sheets and Google Workplace are used by many small businesses and startups, and more modern accounting firms are opting to go with the Google Workspace platform instead of the Office 365 platform. So G-Sheets allows us then to do that syncing and interact with those customers that are used to the Google Workspace environment.
And Carla, how about yourself? Do you use G-Sheets at your firm to collaborate with clients?
We do. We use G-Sheets and the whole Google Workspace, and then we of course are traditional accountants as well that have Excel. But I personally prefer G-Sheets, and I think that it's really going to be a great way for us to use Spreadsheet Sync with it. There's a lot in that platform that I think is going to really facilitate those conversations with our clients.
And tell me more about that, Carla. What is it about G-Sheets that you prefer? How does it help you collaborate more with your clients?
So I personally love comments on things, and being able to put a comment on a financial statement or a document and they're able to respond to that, I think is going to be very helpful for us as we're working with clients, and for them to make comments to us and ask us questions, I think is going to be making that a whole lot easier as well.
Yeah, as Carla said, a lot of communication with clients for accounting firms is primarily through email. And so most of the time, these financial reports get lost in email, and we hope that a client sees it. Well, with G-Sheets and the sync, Google Sync to QuickBooks, we're able to push that data straight to G-Sheets, share that with the client, and then the client can actually ask questions inside G-Sheets with us. We can highlight information, and we can do other things like consolidate it with other reports and other data coming from other systems, like information from our CRM or information from our HRIS system. So that's the power that this update will provide that we normally have had in Excel. Now we're able to have it in G-Sheets. That opens up a whole new ecosystem for us to interact and engage with our clients.
Michael, that's a really powerful insight that you can combine data from QuickBooks Online with data from other sources. Carla, tell me more about what you do once you've exported the data from QuickBooks and into either Excel or to G Sheets.
Well, I don't like exporting data a whole lot. Like it just all of a sudden becomes very asynchronous. And now this is not going to be the case because it syncs. So we can actually bring data from, in this case today in Excel, but then also in G Sheets, we're going to be able to bring that data into QuickBooks Online, which I absolutely love that. It's going to make it a lot easier to do some updates that need to happen. But I also like the idea of being able to consolidate companies. Only one of the entities needs to be in QuickBooks Online Advanced. And then if we're using Ledger for some of their holding companies and we want to bring them all together, we can do that now. And I think that is really powerful and just really elevates what we're able to provide for the value to our clients. They're going to absolutely love it. So I can't wait to be using this with them.
Tell me about once you have the data in either Excel or in G Sheets, do you create charts or put it in pivot tables? How do you serve this up to your clients in a way that might be easier for them to understand?
I like the idea of being able to add some color to some of these reports. They're exported out, it's plain black and white, highlighting some of the areas and pointing out things and putting in various different formats. I mean, some of our clients are so much more visual and they need to see it in, Technicolor, they need that. And quite honestly, we do too sometimes, right? Let's be real. We're not all just black and white and that's it. We want to have this a little bit more interesting and the ability to move beyond just our financial statement presentations to our clients with this is important to think about. A lot of our clients are doing other types of things with QuickBooks Online. It's not just a financial at the end. It could be, sales reports and graphs of that. And so again, it's all one place where they're in it all the time anyway. Now they just are able to access this and see their data in a different way instead of the standard, this is how everybody sees their reports. We can now kind of make it a little bit more special and customized for the client.
Carla, Michael, thank you so much for your thoughts and insights about how Spreadsheet Sync for Excel and now for G Sheets enables better advisory, collaboration, and creates efficiencies for your firm. We are going to move into a lightning round. Are you ready?
Ready.
Would you rather use Excel or G Sheets?
G Sheets.
G Sheets.
Would you rather collaborate with clients via email, Slack, or neither?
Email.
Slack.
I don't want them having 24-hour access to me through Slack. I am fine with just an email is good for me. But hey,
Michael, would you rather use pivot tables or charts if you could only choose one feature in G Sheets to use for the rest of your life?
Charts.
I'm with Michael on this one. I'm going for charts. I want colors and pretty pictures and
all the things.
Yeah.
Well, Carla and Michael, thank you again so much for your time, and we'll catch you on the next episode of In the Know.
Thank you.
Looking forward to it.
And thank you for watching this episode of In the Know. So that you don't miss out on a single episode, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you next time.